Okay. Okay, first of all, I'm going to make the sizing there. So one that division that I need to make sure is because this will not be, we will not be able to get the examination. But let me try, okay? Let me try on this setting here, okay? So the sizing here, I will be defining number of divisions here. So I think that the 40 to 50 cells will be enough. And I need to define the biasing as well. Okay, so let's make that 20 factor. This 20 factor I think will work. And it should be more cells towards the nozzle wall. So we should make the bias type as a reversed one, okay? This one. Okay, now try to generate the mesh. Okay, do it again. Okay, so you need to put the face meshing as well. Okay. So let me put the number of cells here as well. So let's make it like 80. Okay. And here I will also put the biasing. But this time the value should be very, very high so that because it's a very long edge. And again, you have to reverse the biasing formula, okay, like this. And now click on generate again. Okay, something is better now. Okay, I will define the sizing here as well. So for the number of divisions here might be like 60, okay? And put some biasing towards the nozzle end, okay? So let's put the factor of 200 here. And again, it should be the reverse biased, okay, like this formula. Okay, now click on generate again. Okay, so the sizing here is 60. Let's make the sizing here is equal to the 80. Not 80, but I think that 30 will be enough. So 30 plus 60 is a 90. So you can put the 90 sizing here. But definitely the mesh we are getting here is not similar as the mesh we have already there on the other way, okay? Okay, now we have to define the number of cells here as well, okay? So the sizing here, so let's put the number of cells equal to the maybe the 150. Here, let's put the number of cells is equal to the 30 or 40 maybe, okay? Because it's an important region. Inlet portion are very important, so I'm going to put the maybe 10 to 15 cells, okay? So let's make it 15 and click on generate. Now this looks better. Okay, now we should work on this biasing, which is here. Okay, not here, but along the length. Okay. The problem is that we don't have the control here. So I need to make the one more division there in the geometry. So for that, I'm going to geometry. And I will go to the sketch number 4, sorry. And I will make one line here. Okay. That will divide geometry into the multiple parts here. So how much should be equal to? This is same as this height. If you take a look here, so this one and this one is almost of the same height, and this is equal to how much? I think this is equal to the 5. The first unit is 5. So 5 would be enough. Okay. So put dimensions here, and this is going to be vertical distance for this point. Okay. Why it is over constraint, I don't know. So you can, but just directly you can simply you can drag it. Okay. This point. Okay. Let's make it sketching line. This one. Okay. Let's make the like angle here. Okay, make it 5 degrees. 5 degrees, I think, will be enough. Okay, this is almost here. Okay, so you can generate and go to the phase split here, edit selection, and you have to select this line as well. Okay, the line selection and this line as well, and click and generate. So now what we have is that we have the one extra part here. Okay, this is required for actually making the good quality mesh. Okay, so again, you can save the project file. Okay, something is wrong there. Okay. So right click here and edit selection. So outlet now is going to be having the like two edges. Okay. This one, sorry. This one and this one. Okay. Now everything is all right. You can save the file. Okay. Double click on the mesh to read the new geometry file with like this small change over there. Okay. Now everything is same. So I can click on the green tick mark and that's all. Okay, now the edge spacing is here as well. Okay, this is okay. Face meshing should contain the third, fourth face also. Okay, so what we have is that we have to divide, like put the sizing for the now these edges. Okay, these two edges. So number of division I'm going to make is like maybe like sorry here. Let's say the 120. Let me put the biasing factor here and let's put it like maybe 800. Okay, this should be again reversed. The other formula should be used here. That's all. Now click and generate. Okay, this mesh seems okay. This mesh seems okay. We can control the mesh on this side, like here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make it hard. So hard behavior means that now I will be having the uniform meshing there. Okay. So hard behavior and just put the some biasing there so that we have the more cells towards the this corner. Okay. So let's define the 5 biasing factor. And again, the biasing type should be reversed. Okay. Click and generate. Okay, so it means that the number of divisions here should be increased. Okay, so let's make it uh, make it like 120. Okay, make the behavior as a heart. So this will actually make sure that we will be getting what we want. Okay, so make it no and then make the behavior as a heart here and click and generate. Okay, now the issue is this that the biasing should be decreased here. Okay, so let's make it 100 or maybe the 20. Okay, click and generate now. Okay, this seems now better. Okay, any questions about the meshing? Okay, we should define the like how many cells are there over here on this edge. This is the like 80 cells. Okay, so let's make it like 120. Okay, I will define the separately cells here. They will be 120, but the spacing will be decided by ourselves. Okay, so let's make it 120 and put the some biasing here. Arshad is okay. Okay, I'm defining the biasing factor of like maybe 5, more than enough. It's a more than enough. But there should be on the bottom side. Okay, so I will reverse the formula for the biasing and click on generate. Same thing I will be doing also on this the lower edge. Okay, so first let me see which. Okay, this number of cells are here. They are 50. Let's make it like maybe 80. Okay. So I will select this edge and I will select the sizing and I will make number of cells equal to the 80 here. Okay. And click on generate. Okay. So what I should be doing is that I think this is okay. The biasing here should be increased. So let's make it 20 and click on generate. 20 would be like a very high value. So let's make it 15 and click on generate. Okay. This seems okay now. Okay, so how many cell sizes are there on the like a nozzle surface? So this is the 150, 150 plus 30, 180, 180 plus 15 is equal to 195. Okay, so on the bottom side, I'm going to define the number of cells 195. Okay, and click on generate. Okay, do it again. Okay, here I will define some biasing here, okay, on the one side, okay. So some biasing like maybe 2 or 3 to 4 value, okay. So let's make it start with the 5, okay, and click on generate. Okay, let's make it like a 10 and again generate. Now this seems better, okay, than the previous case. So here, you can see the quality is very good actually. Okay, let's check the number of cells here. Number of cells are 57,000. The quality, I'm talking about the orthogonal quality, and that is like maximum value, minimum value is 0.49. That's very good actually. And skewness now with the orthogonal quality of 0.49, I think skewness would not be more than 0.6. Okay, so maximum value is a 0.66. And what about the aspect ratio? That's very important criteria. The maximum aspect ratio is equal to 96. That is within the limit of the 1000 value. 1000 value is the maximum that we can accept there. Okay, so this is okay. Okay, this mesh is now created. Okay, so you can save the file. Any questions? The last step would be that you have to update the mesh. This will write down the file for the Fluent. Okay. So now you can close the app and open inside the Fluent here. So I'll make double precision and I will be choosing the 4 processors and click on start. That's all. Arshad, are you in the class or not? You're in the class, right? Arshad, everything is all right? Hello? Arshad, can you hear me? Okay, this is the mesh in the Fluent, okay? So I will stop here. I will stop here. So we have created the geometry. We discussed about the case. We created geometry. We made the mesh also. And tomorrow I will take the one class in the maybe sometime in the evening or maybe in the noon time. So we will discuss about results and the settings there. Okay. Okay. Any questions?
Actually, when you were taking the class, the video was instantly stopped and then again starts. During whole
Okay, I
class, it
think
was
that
facing.
in the video maybe that I have in the Zoom that will be okay. I think I don't know. Okay, so
In the
let's
recording.
yes, in the recording I think that
In
will
the
be okay.
yes, in the recording, I think it will be okay.
Okay.
Uh, but I have one question that you have used one thing that is bias factor.
Yes.
What is the function of this in meshing bias
What
factor?
bias factor is like a ratio of the largest to the smallest element size.
Okay, largest to the smallest.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and another thing we mostly use sometimes age sizing and face sizing.
Yes.
What is difference in between two in
One is on
meshing?
the edges, one the edges that we are defining sizing there. One is on the faces, but in when we are creating hexa meshing like this one, we define the number of division on the edge. So edge sizing is important in the hexa meshing. In tetra meshing, the surface mesh.
Okay, in
Okay.
tetra meshing surface mesh.
Means that we define sizes on the surfaces, not on the edges.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. And sometime we also use in the meshing the inflation. So
Inflation is for boundary
in which
layer. Right now, I
only
created
for
the boundary layer mesh by having the fine mesh in this way. So you can see the fine mesh